Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Hafizul and I will explain case study 1 index number. The first question, calculate the simple relative price index for each of three items. What can you infer from the data value of relative price index? So first we need to know what simple relative index formula is. It's PT over P0 times 100 where PT is a price for present year and P0 is price for best year. In this context, the present year is 2023 and the best year is 2022. Okay, we move to the calculation. Printer paper. Price of printer paper in 2023 is 14 ringgit and 2022 is 12.50. So we put it in the formula. It's 14 over 1250 times 100, which we got 112%. That means printer paper price has increased 12% in 2023 compared to 2022. Second, ink cartridge. Price for ink cartridge for 2023 is 50 ringgit and for 2022 is 45. Substitute to the formula, so for 50 over 45 times 100, we got 111.11%, which means ink cartridge price has increased 11.11% compared to 2022. And the third one is stapler. Stapler price in 2023 is 950, and for 2022 we got 8 ringgit. So we substitute in the formula 950 over 8 times 100, we got 180%, 118.75%. That means stapler price has increased 18.75% in 2022 compared to the previous year, which is 2022. Question B. Calculate the simple average relative price index for 2023 for the three items. Which item has more demand? Okay, first we calculate the simple average relative price index for 2023. The step is, first we add up all the relative price index for all three items. When we add up all the price index together, we got that total 341.86%. Now we can substitute to the simple average relative price formula, which is 1 over n times the total of relative index price times 100. So the 341.86% divided to 3, and we got the average relative price index is 113.95%. And which item has more demand? Okay, 2023 demand, we can see that printer paper have 400 units and ink cartridge has 250 units and stapler has 350 units. So conclusion here, printer paper has the most demand because it got 400 while the other have only 250 and 350. Question C. Calculate the simple aggregate quantity index and simple aggregate price index for the year 2023 for the three items using 2022 as the base year. So to calculate aggregate simple quantity index, we need to total up all three item price for the year 2023 and total all the price of three item in 2022. So here the formula is total PT over total P0 times 100. When we total up the price for 2023, we got 73.50, and for 2022 we got 65.50 cent. So we put that into our formula. It became 73.50 over 65.50 times 100, which is equal to 112% point 21. And next, a simple aggregate price index. It's same like above, but the difference is we use quantity here. So when we add up all the quantity demand for 2023, we got 1000, and when we add up all the quantity for 2022, we also got 1000. So we substitute into the formula QT, total QT over total Q 0 times 100. We we can say that 1000 over 1000 times 100, which is equal to 100%. So that's it, the simple average quantity index and simple aggregate price index. Question D. Calculate the simple average quantity index for the year 2023 for the three items using 2022 as the base year. Comment on the values obtained. So this is same like previous question, but we use quantity. Okay, first we find the simple relative of quantity for each item. For the printer paper, it's 400 divided 500 times 100, which we get 80%. And for in cartridge, it's 250 over 200 times 100, which is equal to 125%. And for the stapler, 350 over 300 times 100, we got 116.67%. So we add up those value together, then we got 321.67%. For find the average simple relative of quantity, we just divided the total value of relative quantity to the total data, which we got here 3. So 321.67% divided by 3, we got the average simple relative of quantity value is 107.22%. So our comment here is average simple relative of quantity index value 107.22% shows that overall sales quantity of those three items has gone up by 7.22% in 2023 compared to previous year, which is 2022. So that's it. Thank you very much. Hello, I'm Mohammad Hafizul and I will explain case study 2 probability. Question 1. Case study payment, preference and purchase type in business transactions. Scenario. Recent market analysis show that business clients are transitioning to digital payment. It is found that 85% of clients make digital payments. Among these 70% use digital payment for office supply. Of those who do not use digital payment, 35% pay in cash for non-office supply. A. Present the above information in a tree diagram with all probability value. So first, we let D as digital payment and ND as non-digital payment. Let O as office supplies and NO as non-office supplies. From the information given, we know that 85% make use digital payment and another 15% use non-digital payment. From the digital payment, probability of them make office supplies is 70%. And from digital payment also, 30% of them make non-office supplies. So next we go to the non-digital payment. Probability of them make office supplies is 65%. And 35% of non-digital payment user making a non-office supply. Question B. What is the probability that a randomly selected client makes an office purchase supply purchase? So in this question, we use this formula where the probability of office supplies purchase equal to the value of probability of digital payment times probability of office supplies given digital payment and plus the value of non probability of non-digital payment times office supply purchase given non-digital payment. We substitute all the value from the diagram or the information given. We got the 0.85 times 0.07 plus 0.15 times 0.65. We add up the value and the probability of office supply purchase randomly occur is 0.6925 or in percentage we can say 69.25%. Next, question C. What is the probability that a client uses cash to purchase non-office supplies? So in this question, we use this formula probability of non-digital payment intercept with non-office supplies purchase. So it's equal to probability of non-digital payment times probability of non-office supplies given non-digital payment. We substitute all the value, so it became 0.616. I'm sorry, 0.16 times 0.35, which equal to 0.0525, which mean in percentage the probability of non-digital payment and non-office supplies purchase intercept is 5%, 5.25%. And the next one, D. Given that a client made an office supply purchase, what is the probability that they use digital payment? So in this question, we use Bayes' theorem probability formula. So we can say that probability of digital payment given office supplies equal to probability of office supplies given digital payment times probability of digital payment divided by probability of office supply. So we substitute all the information. It became 0.70 times 0.85 divided by 0.6925, which equal to 0.8592. So the its mean probability of digital payment given office supplies is 0.8592, which in percentage we can say 85.92. Yes. Thank you.
Question 2. Case study about employee involvement in corporate activities scenario. A company conducted a survey among 200 employees to understand their participation into corporate activities, which is team building and training workshop. The result of the survey are follows: 90 employees participate in team building, 75 employees participate in training workshop, and 40 employees participate in both team building and training workshop. Let T is the set of employees who participate in team building, and W is the set of employees who participate in training workshop. Let's go to the question.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Taufik Ikhwan. I want to explain about section 1, question 2. A. How many employees participate in team building? Based on information given, the total number who join team building is 90, but 40 of them also join workshop. So, to find those who only join team building, 90 minus 40 and we get 50 employees join only team building. B. How many employees participate in workshop? The total number in training workshop is 75. Again, 40 of them also join team building. So, to find how many employees participate in workshop is 75 minus 40. And we get 35 employees. Okay, see how many employees participate in either team building or training workshop or both. To get this, we add all team building 50, workshop 35, both 40. So 50 plus 35 plus 40, and we get 1 to 5 employees participate in at least one of the activities.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azrik Aiman, and I'm going to talk about question D and E in case study 2, section 1. So for question D, in this question, we were asked how many employees do not participate in either uh, team building or team workshop. We started with total numbers of employees, which is 200. And subtracted those who are only in team building, which is 50, and only in team workshop, 35, and those who involved in both, 40. That gave us total 75 employees who don't participate in either activity. This information is then shown in the Venn diagram, question E, where the two circles represent team building and team workshop. And the number outside the circle, 75, is represent those who not involved in either activity.
Hi, my name is Yuzrin bin Alias, and today I'll be presenting about section 2 question. So, A. What is the probability that a random selected employee participates in team building? So the answer is PT equals 90 divided by 200 equivalent to 0.45. So question B. What is the probability that an employee participate in both activities? P bracket T intersect W bracket equivalent 40 divided by 200 equivalent to 0.20. So question C. What is the probability that an employee participate in only one activity? So P participate only one equivalent to bracket 50 plus 35 bracket divide by 200 and equivalent to 0.425. Moving on to the next question D. What is the probability that an employee participates in neither activity? Probability didn't participate equivalent 75 divided by 200 equivalent to 0.372. And question E. Are team building and training workshop considered mutually exclusive events? Justify your answer. No, they are not considered mutually exclusive because 40 employees participate in both activities. If they are mutually exclusive, there are no overlap.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Muhammad Hafizul. Once again, I will explain question 3. Case study, business gift basket design and display strategy scenario. A corporate gift company is preparing for a business expo and want to showcase their best-selling gift baskets. They have 15 different corporate gift items available. The company is designing display arrangement and gift baskets to attract clients and maximize sales. First question, display arrangement. For the expo, the company has a special display that holds 4 gift items in a row. The order matters because the most prominent spot is at the center. The question, how many ordered arrangement of 4 gift items can be made from the 15 available items? So here we use the permutation formula, which is n PR equal n factorial divided by total of n minus r factorial. So the company have 15 different gifts and we want 4 gift items in one arrangement. Okay, we use that n is 15 and r is 4. Substitute in the formula, we got 15 factorial over 15 minus 4 factorial. Where is the factorial here? Sorry. So we got 15 factorial over 11 factorial. And we got 32,760 ordered arrangements. Okay, second question. Gift basket selection. The company also want to prepare gift baskets with 5 items each. Chosen from 15 items, the order does not matter in this basket. How many different combinations of gift baskets can be created? For in this situation, we use combination formula where it's n c r equal n factorial divided by r factorial times the value of n minus r factorial. So we got 15 items and we want a combination of 5. So substitute the formula 15c5, so it became 15 factorial over 5 factorial times 10 factorial, and then we got 3003 combination of gift baskets. Third question, special item requirement. One of the 15 items is a premium corporate pen. The company wants to include this pen in every gift basket of 5 items. How many different gift basket combination can be formed if the premium pen must be included? So, in this question, we still use combination formula, but because the premium pen included in every gift baskets, so the variation of gift left is 14. Because why? Because the pen is already included in every gift basket. So because one item excluded from the variation, we only got 14 as an n. Because we got 5 in every baskets. One of them is pen. So now we only got 4 combination. We need to count. So the R is gonna be 4. Substitute all the information. 14 factorial over 4 factorial times 10 factorial, we get 1001. So one we got 1001 gift basket with premium pen. We move to the next question. 4. Item conflict restriction. Among the 15 items, 2 are tech gadgets and should not be placed together in the same gift basket due to compatibility issues. Each basket still contains 5 items. How many different baskets can be formed if the 2 tech gadgets are never together in the same basket? Okay, so from our previous calculation, we know that total combination without restriction is 3003 combinations. Now we need to count total combination where the tech gadget are together. We use 13 as an n because two of the 15 give already together, and the R, because two are already together, we only need to calculate three different combination, three different odd other give in one combination. That's what I mean. So we count it's a 13 factorial over 3 factorial times 10 factorial. We got 286 combination where the tech gadget are together in one baskets. So if we want to know total basket without two gadget together, just put the total combination without restriction minus the total combination where are the two tech gadgets together. By that, 3003 minus 286, we got 2717 baskets. That's it. Thank you very much. So that's all from our group. Thank you very much. Semua yang baik datang daripada Allah Subhanahu wa taala dan yang buruk semua datang daripada kami. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.